How to repair and replace MacBook keys in 60 seconds. Tools: plastic pry tool, tweezers, compressed air, soft brush, and a replacement key set. Step 1. Inspect a key and scissor clip for cracks or trapped debris. Step 2. Gently pry the keycap from the top edge with the plastic tool until it pops free. Step 3. If the scissor clip is damaged, lift it out carefully with tweezers. Step 4. Clean the key well using compressed air and a soft brush. Step 5. Position the new scissor clip into the hinge, aligning the tabs. Step 6. Place the keycap over the clip and press gently until it clicks into place. Test the key by typing several times to confirm travel and responsiveness. Tip: if the key sticks, reseat the clip and remove any debris. Tip: if the mechanism is broken, replace the whole module or seek professional repair. That's it. Subscribe for more quick repair guides.